Okay, I'm going to do a quick recap on adding and subtracting integers. Remember that if it is subtraction, we do a number line because that looks like a subtraction sign. And if it's addition, we do a T-chart because it looks like an addition sign. So in the first example, we have -3 minus 7. So if I'm going to model this, and again, you should be at the point where you're just quickly thinking through what that looks like. So I would go to my first number, which is -3, and if I go back 7 more, that means I'm going to end at -10, okay? This other one, again, most people want to say that that is -4. Be careful. That is 4, sorry. Because people see that as 7 minus 3. That is not what it says. It says you're starting at 3, and then you're going to take away or go back 7. So here is 0. I'm at, again, I just need a quick sketch. I'm at +3. If I go back 7, that's 3, but then I'm going to also have to go 4 more this direction, which would put me at -4. So one of the things we talked about is, remember, if our arrows are going in the same directions, you're combining those distances, which means you're technically adding those, and then notice you're on the negative side of the number line. If your arrows are pointing in different directions, so this is going here, and then we're going back this way. Well, there's a section of that overlaps, and you want to know how much farther do you have to go this way. So you're essentially subtracting them, and then when you're looking again, I'm on the negative side of the number line, so that would be -4. All right, the bottom two, we have -3 plus 7 because that's addition. We're going to do a T-chart. So I have 3 negatives and 7 positives. I'm going to remove the 0 pairs, so I have 3 negatives and 3 positives that will match up, leaving me with an answer of 4. On this next one, hopefully it stands out to you for a reason. Anytime you see a double negative, just like in language arts, you can't say, I don't have no candy. You cannot have a double negative in math either. So anytime you see the 2 negatives back to back, you're going to simply circle it, and we're going to correct our numerical sentence, and it's going to say -3 plus 7. So then now I'm again back to exactly what this problem was, and I could use this T-chart. I'm going to do one more example. If it were -3 plus -7, I could draw my T-chart. I have 3 negatives and 7 negatives, so that means there's not any 0 pairs, which means I have 10 negatives altogether. So again, it's kind of the same idea as up here we did with the arrows. If my numbers are on different sides, I am subtracting. If my numbers are on the same sides, I'm combining those since there's not 0 pairs, which does mean I'm adding. So again, same thing. If your arrows are same direction, you're adding those 2 distances together. If your arrows are pointing in opposite directions, you are subtracting to figure out where you are. All right, guys, quick recap. Have a great day.
I don't remember learning that.